Glam Princess, and today I am going to show you all how I glam up my kitchen in pink, silver, black. And the thing is that I'm going, because all of this is in my kitchen, the coffee bar, and of course the breakfast bar, whatever you want to call it, all of that good stuff is going to be in one whop. But I am going to show you all how I decorate my table, so let's get right on into it, y'all. Okay, y'all, and this entire DIY, well, this entire tablescape, it is everything that I made in the last day or two. So I will link the video of some of the DIYs in the description. Okay, Glam fam, so check out our end result of our tablescape. It is gorgeous, y'all. I love it. It is beautiful. It even gives you a romantic feel with the lights. I still think it's, of course, you know, glam and it's pink. It's all me, but I still think it is still gorgeous. I hope you all like this. The tiles really do it really brings out the look of the pink. I really do like that. It gives, you know, that sparkly look to it, and I just enjoy, you know, just coming in here and looking in the kitchen and seeing all of this glam, y'all. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna show you all my coffee bar. Okay, y'all, so before I show you all the coffee bar, I have to show you all my pink microwave. This microwave was given to me by my son, and when I told him that I wanted this microwave for Mother's Day, he was like, saw the price and was like, Mom, what do the microwave do? I was like, it warms your food. He was like, for $150, we can go get you a microwave from Walmart for like $50 and you can spray paint it. So I'm like, boy, if you don't give me that microwave. So y'all, he ended up giving it to me and he surprised me with it. So thank you, Coco and Dee. I appreciate y'all. So this is the coffee bar. It is super glam, y'all. Y'all know I am so extra. So the little stands here, I got these stands from Burlington. They're so cute. And y'all, I'm good at using like organizers, makeup organizers for the kitchen as well. Y'all don't have to limit that, you know, those items to just the bathroom or your beauty room, but you can bring them on into the kitchen. I did. So I got my little spoons here so I can use for coffee or whatever to stir. And then I have my mints for after coffee. So here we have our creamer, and we have our syrups in these little containers. And then we have our coffee in here. And I like the decaf coffee, so this is the Colombian, I think, decaf coffee, so it's pretty good. And then I have my little coffee cup. It says hello gorgeous with the lashes. And I have my beautiful pink Keurig, y'all. I love this Keurig. So this is my coffee bar, and I hope you all love this. I love this coffee bar, y'all. It is so cute. I love it. Okay, Glam fam, so I put my soap and my hand sanitizer in these little jars. They're so cute. I think I got those from Burlington so long ago. And then I put them on this little cute riser that I got from, I believe I got from At Home, if I'm not mistaken. And of course you see the DIYs that I did the other day. I thought that made, you know, like a really cute little look to the little bar area, whatever you want to call it. So I did 2 of them. And don't forget, y'all, these are picture frames that I made into some chargers. I think I did good, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so here is like the tea area. This is where I store my teas, and you know, the honey pops and all that. These are some honey pops. And y'all, this Starburst, I got this from Dollar Tree. The Starburst, the little Kool-Aid packets or whatever, they are so good. I like them. You add them to your water and they, you know, pretty much taste good. I like it. So I got my equal sugar there, my little pink packet, and then I have my green tea. I have green tea, and I have the turmeric and the chamomile and stuff. I love tea, y'all. It's, you know, I love like sitting down, and when I don't have anything to do, just think and drink some tea. You know, I have to drink different kinds of tea though. But that is my little tea bar. I hope y'all like it. Hey y'all, so this is on the top of my cabinet. So let me just tell y'all, don't come for me about the paint, because I have not painted. I'm only 5'2", and I tried to reach up there, but I cannot. Me and one of my friends, she is amazing. She painted with me, but we didn't finish, y'all. So don't charge it to my heart, charge it to the game. But I'm gonna get someone to finish it, y'all, because it do kind of take away from the kitchen, but it's okay. I know where I'm going with it. So also we got, I'm gonna give y'all a closer look, but this is the on top of the stove. I did decorate. Y'all see my pink fan there. Let me get a little closer and I could show you all, you know what. Okay, so this is a closer look. I got this pink fan from Marshall's. I got it for $29.99. This tray, I made this tray, and these cookies, these cookie jars, I got them from Dollar Tree, and I just put the word cookie jar on it. And y'all know I'm not measuring anything, so it is what it is. And I also got this cute little cupcake. It's a glass cupcake. I got that from the Good. Made this noodle board, y'all, and it's a mirrored noodle board. Y'all, it is so cute. So that's how my, you know, it's looking. My little decorations on top of my stove, y'all. I think it is gorgeous. Okay, so this is my knife set. My pink knife set, y'all. I love this knife set. I am not touching it. It is so cute. Look at that. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all like what y'all see over the stove. I hope y'all are loving this. And of course, the knife set. I love the knife set. So I'm gonna give y'all another view of the kitchen all together. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this on God? Why you let me find it like this on God?